Hello, I just want to show you how to use the Magic Wand tool, which is an incredibly useful tool. And what it does is choose pixels of a similar color or the same color. We're going to use it to turn this black design into a white design. So here is a design that we've got for a t-shirt, and we choose light color t-shirts like the pink one, the light blue one, the white one. But we want to also put it in white on the dark t-shirts, which tend to sell better, although not always. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So at the moment, this is a PNG. Of course, it's 5400 by 4500 pixels in dimension. And of course, it will be 300 ppi. It's black on transparent. Let's show you what it looks like on a white background. So we go to the bottom of the layers palette and we click on that icon there, create a new layer, and that creates a new layer on top, unfortunately, of the layer we're on. We can then fill that with white. There's many ways of doing that. Let's just this time go edit, fill, and here we choose white in the fill dialog box. Bang, and that fills the whole layer with white. And then of course we will drag that layer down and we've got the black design, and we can see how it looks on the white background. So let's select the layer on top and select the Magic Wand tool, which you can do in the toolbar here or press W on your keypad. If you can't find it, it may be that you have the quick selection tool current on the toolbox. If that's the case, you just click and hold down and then you can select the Magic Wand tool. So we've selected the Magic Wand tool, and in the option bar here above we have all the settings we can choose. I would keep them like that and we'll see if it just works like that. And click anywhere on the black, because we want to select all the same color, all the black. So I'm going to click on the guy on the motorbike, and I'll just zoom in to show you what it's done there. You can see more or less that we've clicked on a black pixel, and the Magic Wand tool has then looked for contiguous pixels. And then what that means is it's looked for every neighboring pixel that's of the same or similar color. Now you can change the tolerance of this by changing this number here, and that goes from 0 I think to 250 or 255. Yeah, it's 255 as the top value. It doesn't actually matter in this case, because what that's doing is either choosing very, very similar pixels with a low tolerance or more different pixels with a higher tolerance. But as this image here is either black or white, it doesn't really matter. It's either black or transparent. There aren't any grey pixels as far as I can see. So it's no good because we've only selected the area. I hope you can see that. You can see the selection of the marching ants going around the guy and the bike, but it's not chosen. It's not selected any of the text or this crest design. And that's because it was, I checked contiguous. We've only got the black pixels of the bike and the man, and we want to select all the black pixels of all the image of this layer. And the way we do that is go select similar. This will work at any particular time when you have a selection in Photoshop of one color or a similar color, then Photoshop will then scan the whole image for you and select all the pixels of a similar color. So we'll do that now. And now that has, it's very hard to see, but if you zoom in, you'll see that it has selected everything there, or everything that is more or less black. Let's create a new layer and fill. Again, we're going to do the same thing and fill as we did when we filled the white background, and we'll fill it all with white. And there it is. We can't see anything, just the selection. I'm going to deselect, Command D, or select, deselect, and I'm going to make a new layer. Note with no selection, I'm going to fill the whole of the layer black and pull that down below that white layer. There we can see the white design on a black background. So that's what we're looking at. We're happy with it. If I take these two layers off, we can see the black design on the white background, which we had already. I take those layers off and we've got the transparent background, put the white design on, and then we can save that out as a PNG and upload it in Merch by Amazon. My name's Rob Cubbon. I'll see you in another video.